Have you ever experienced the awkward atmosphere of looking for what words to say when saying goodbye to your Japanese friends? I definitely know how it feels, so let me help you by watching this video. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will learn what Japanese use to say when we part ways, or what we call wakareru, on saying goodbye. It is good to learn these sentences so you will not sound rude when you say goodbye to your boss, colleagues, or even your friends. Are you ready? Let's get into it. それでは始めましょう。さようなら。This Japanese way of saying goodbye, and sometimes tagged as romantic, is not used as much as other ways of saying goodbye. Although in schools, children are asked to say this to their teachers after their classes, adults don't usually use them in ordinary situations. Nowadays, sayonara is used when parting with someone for a long time, like moving away or going to a faraway place for quite some time. Let's practice. Sayonara. Sayonara. Let's do our language exchange. I would like to know how you say sayonara in your native language. Please type your answers in the comment section. I will look forward to reading them. Okay, let's continue with our video. Matane. This is how friends say goodbye. This means see you. It sounds light and it somehow gives you the feeling that you will see each other again soon. Let's practice. Matane. Matane. Bye bye. This is how young people, especially children, say goodbye. Sometimes, even though you are older and you feel like being cute or sweet, this could still be used. Let's practice. Bye, bye. Bye bye. ごちそうさまでした。We have talked about this sentence from our previous episode. You say this as soon as you finish eating, and it's repeated when saying goodbye to someone who has treated you to a meal, or even to just a cup of tea. You can also say this to the restaurant staff upon leaving the place. Let's practice. Gochisousamaでした。ごちそうさまでした。oyasuminasai. This means good night. This is also a way of how friends or family say their goodbyes. However, we never use them when leaving from work, even though it's already late. Let's practice. oyasuminasai. おやすみなさい。お先に失礼します。This is how you should say goodbye at work. This means, excuse me for going ahead of you. It is plain, polite, and formal. Let's practice. お先に失礼します。お先に失礼します。odaijini. This friendly way of saying goodbye is used when parting ways with an elderly, someone who is sick, or someone who is injured. This means take care of your health or get well soon. Let's practice. odaijini, odaijini, ogenkide. This is somehow sad because we use this word whenever we are parting ways with someone for a very long time, or without knowing when to meet again. This word could mean farewell. Let's practice. Ogenkide. Ogenkide. Here's a summary of what we have talked about today. I hope you had fun learning today, and please use them whenever you have the chance. I'm looking forward to seeing your reactions and suggestions on the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we have a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. Matane!